They're going to go at it again, and Bowser's now going the other way. He's saying this is enough.
So I bring the whole family, and I get to be the big man. You're being the big spender. Yep, world's greatest dad.
She's kind of pissing him off.
She's not running away. She's fighting the fight. But Bowser knows how to pin her in a corner.
Do you need help?
Not right now. Oh! Bowser's trying to pin her again.
She doesn't know what she's in for. He's just coming right at her.
Oh man, that's like trying to squeeze cabbage through a keyhole.
Universe's old phone wires can't handle it. Visit Xfinity Can.
Now she's going to get it
Okay.
again. Huh?
Now it's time to edit.
Bowser! That's it!